We are pleased to show you the 2025 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes, skid plates. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.